Pagana po, buwan.
Yes. What the here in here and John. Two.
Yes.
Okay. I take photo first. I take.
Saya just punya saya ni. Ini tidak ada masih. Sekarang untuk masih. Yang mana punya masih. Masih macam. Kurang betul.
Nè vào đi dung một người chơi.
안 하는 거랑 했지.
இல்ல கடிச்சு பார்த்து என்ன ஓத்தாங்க கிட்ட வந்து பாரு மொத்த புழுகி கட்டிச்சு எப்படி வச்சுங்க பாயில காட்டி பார்த்து இரு வாயில எப்படி வச்சுக்கிறது
swimming.
बस हाँ चलो
Everyone, hold the rope, hold the rope, come through here, hold the rope, come through here.
Còn đua lên đua này cái này em mới trộn. Còn đua lên đúng không?
ஒன்னொன்னு கொடுக்க முடியும் உனக்கு
பாட்டில் கொடுக்கலையா?
பாட்டில் கொடுத்தாண்டா மிச்சம் குடிக்கணும்ல
யாருக்கெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு தான் கொடுப்பேன். பெரிய கல்யாணம் சமைக்கிறது யாருக்கெல்லாம் வேணுமா? பண்டிகை வடிக்கிறது.
Go, hold the board, hold the board, hold the board, not hold the boat, hold the board. Hold the board here.
Put your hand on board. Put your hand on board.
Hold the board, hold the board. You, two hands, hold two hands.
เอาไอ้นี่ปาเข้ามา
Yes, and move away from the boat. You also.
ปิดมาเลยหรอกป้าตรงนู้น
Okay. Not worry, straight. And then bite them like this. Yeah,
เอาน้องมาให้หน่อยค่ะ
มาทางนี้เอา
เอาน้องให้หน่อยผ่านเลย
Practice, practice, not open. Because when you open the water go, but the water goes not to go there. Very good. Yeah, very good. That one, when you go back on the rope, back to the boat, go to the long ladder, get on the boat.
I can jump back in the water.
Yeah, you want to go back?
I can't see it all already.
Jumping now.
Can't see it all.
Jumping now.
This way, lady, this way. Your hand.
Fishy die. Jumping fishy die.
Oh, they're going to overuse it. Oh, yeah. They're going to use it on Ini tempat lain. Ini makan. He looks kind of thick and mean.
Are you okay, Mia?
I like that guy. He looks sick.
Are you okay, Mia?
Looking to find Gucci.
Oh, check the Gucci smell.
Gucci.
Hello, Mia.
Oh, did you do night makeup?
Sige. Magogi.
Thầy dán ui. Một bạn đi dán này.
Có nhiều điểm.
Hmm?
Very
Ito ba?
Mia.
Một bạn đó.
Up to Kataya. He's burnt himself.
Huh?
He got burnt marks on him.
What? No way.
Almost sleeping in the sand.
Yeah, 어디가?
And I say from bunny on a motorcycle engine rubbing up against it, but yeah, I say probably just go down. See, look, he's rubbing his foot hard against the ground right now. He has fleas, so he's itchy out of it. So he rubs up against stuff. His head comes off. He come off of empty like me.